Eli. Happy birthday na. Alala pa ni Daddy yung unang beses kita nakita sa hospital. Sobrang saya ko. Sobrang saya ng naramdaman ko. Bigay ka talaga sa amin ni Lord. Hindi ko naman hinahangad na magkaroon ka ng mga honor sa school. Basta ang gusto ko lang, maging mabait kang bata. Maging mabait ka.
Hi baby! Happy birthday! It's your first birthday. My wish for you na lumaki ka ng healthy. Siyempre, at sobrang lagi mong tatandaan na love ka naman. Kapag laki mo, maging God-fearing child ka. Once again, happy first birthday, baby!
So, sabi ng Biblia, bago pa huminga, bago pa isilang si Mary Elijah, alam na ng Panginoon kung sino siya at kilala na ng Panginoon kung ano o sino yung batang ito.
Happy birthday, Eli! Ang wish ko sa iyo is sana lumaki kang mabuting bata at masunurin. At ang wish ko pa sa iyo, sana huwag kang magkakasakit at laging healthy lang at may takot sa Diyos habang ikaw ay lumalaki. Happy birthday, Eli! I love you!
At namin, Panginoon, na ikaw ang uhubog ng destiny ng batang ito. As a community, Panginoon, tulungan mo kami, bigyan kami ng karunungan o kung paano gagabayan ang batang ito. Salamat, O Diyos, dahil alam namin na ikaw na mismo ang nagtuwid ng kanyang daraanan, O God. Naroon kami sa bawat hihintuan niya, Panginoon, upang tulungang may hawak ng kanyang kinabukasan.
Happy birthday, Eli. Kung napapanood mo man to, siguro for sure matanda ka na rin. And yun lang, happy birthday, Eli. Sana lumaki ka ng mabait. Sana maging close ka sa amin. And wish ko sana lumaki ka ng malusog. Sana samahan mo rin ako sana mag-doktor ka din. Para may kasama na ako sa medical.
Happy birthday, Eli!
There's nothing colder than your shoulder when you're dragging me along like you do. And then you switch up with no warning and you kiss me like you want it. How rude, how rude. But I kinda like it anyways. I don't mind if this is gonna take a million days. I know you'll come around to me eventually. If you sit back, relax, enjoy my company, my company.
Maging mabuti ka sanang bata paglaki mo. Pilin lang namin na maging karapat dapat ka sa kalalakihan mong lugar. I love you, Eli. Happy birthday.
The movies, 'cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is
Sana maging mabait ka na bata sa paglaki mo at masururin sa mga magulang. Lumaki ka ng may takot sa Diyos.
mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know
Happy birthday, Eli! Happy birthday, Eli. I wish that you'll grow up to be a very lovely and godly lady.
magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical.
I wish the best of your health for you to grow up with love and happiness all around.
Magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is so mystical.
Happy birthday, Eli. As one of your facetious ninongs, please remember that I will always be here for you. You can talk to me anytime, okay? Happy birthday again. Happy birthday, Eli! Woohoo! Heart, heart, heart!
My love is so mystical, magical, oh baby, 'cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical.
Happy birthday, Mary Elijah!
Once you know my love is so
Happy birthday, Eli!
once you know
Happy birthday, Eli! Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata. Sana mag-aral kang mabuti. Dito lang palagi ang iyong pretty ninang.
Happy birthday, Eli! Wish lang namin ni Ninong ay magkaroon ka ng happy childhood. Tapos, alam namin nalalaki kang God-fearing at saka honor your mother and father.
Working with, but all you do is push me out. But I like
Happy birthday, Eli! Sana lumaki kang maging mabuting tao and masunuri sa mga magulang mo. I love you!
eventually. Just sit back, relax, enjoy my company. Oh, baby, trust me. Once you know what my love's gonna feel.
I wish you all the best. Sana lumaki ka ng mabuting bata. Saka may takot sa Diyos.
Ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the moon.
Happy birthday, Eli!
Magical, oh, baby.
Happy birthday, Eli! Yung gusto sa'yo, sana ay lumaki kang tao sa Diyos. Sana susunod mo sila mama at papa mo lagi. Iyaan mo, pag nakagraduate kami, street ka namin pa ibang bansa.
Eli, si Kuya Kobe mo, pag lumaki ka pag napanood mo to, sana maging masaya ka. And wish ko sa'yo, sana maging mabuting bata ka. And sumunod ka palagi sa mga magulang mo. And lagi may takot sa Diyos.
Baby, it's mystical. Happy birthday!